Okay, with all the injectors plugged in, this is the reading I get when I probe what's supposed to be hot in ignition on with the test light on ground. Comes on. Comes on. Now they both come on. Both sides lit up. Go ahead and plug this back in. Come around to this side. Let me disconnect the injector. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and probe the ground side first. Nice and bright, and the hot side. Nice and bright. And this is with the test light hooked up to the ground. Ignition on. Fuel pump does prime like it's supposed to. Excuse the mess. Okay.